Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khairun Bidanaza with NIM 23030411 and my friend
Nikah Mazaya Indra dengan NIM 2303041138. Indonesia is an archipelagic country faces a major challenge in distributing basic necessities and medical devices evenly. This is where PT Raja Wali Nusindo, a subsidiary of BUMN ID Food, takes an important role as a national distributor. However, behind this strategic role, there are also a number of critics who question its impact on small business actors and the village economy.
Through this presentation, we will explore both sides of Nusindo's role, how it contributes to national resilience, and how its presence may also pose challenges to local economic independence. Let us take a closer look. PT Raja Wali Nusindo is a subsidiary of the state-owned food holding company ID Food. With over 6 decades of experience in the national distribution of food, pharmaceuticals, and medical equipment. Through a network of more than 40 active branches across the Indonesian archipelago, the company ensures the availability of essential goods, including in remote and underserved regions where private distributors often lack presence due to infrastructure of economic limitations. Supported by modern logistic infrastructure, digital tracking systems, and a highly skilled workforce, Nusindo maintains operational efficiency, timeliness, and product safety, particularly in critical sector where reliability is paramount. Its strategic role becomes especially evident during emergency situations such as natural disaster or public health crisis, where uninterrupted access to vital goods is essential. As a state-owned enterprise, Nusindo serves as a trusted partner of the government and advancing national resilience programs. These include the distribution of medical supplies, vaccine, and staple food items, contributing to price stabilization and equitable access across regions. In addition to distributing products from large-scale industries, Nusindo actively builds partnerships with local producers and small to medium enterprises, reinforcing an inclusive economic ecosystem that supports national self-reliance. Operating under stringent oversight from the Ministry of State-Owned Enterprises and National Audit Institutions, Nusindo adheres to the principle of good corporate governance, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and efficiency. Thus, PT Raja Wali Nusindo stands not merely as a distribution company, but as a critical component of Indonesia's economic and public health infrastructure, advancing logistical equity, and contributing to sustainable, broad-based national development.
Okay guys, so I will explain some of the points of this PT Raja Wali Nusindo institution. So, PT Raja Wali Nusindo plays an important role in Indonesia's national food distribution, but it is not without criticism, especially when it comes to its impact on rural communities. One of the main concerns is how Nusindo's dominant position in distribution can marginalize small business and village cooperatives. With centralized structure and strong government backing, Nusindo wields significant distribution power, making it difficult for local players to compete or even participate in the supply chain. This situation risks weakening the economic independence of villages, as they become increasingly dependent on outside sources for their food supply. Additionally, since Nusindo primarily distributes products from large industries, local farmers often struggle to get their foods into the market. This limits their competitiveness and reduces their income potential. Transparency is another area that raises questions. Nusindo's financial reports and operational activities are not fully accessible to the public, which it can lead to an inefficiency or even corruption risk. If left unaddressed, these issues could harm the country and erode public trust in state-owned enterprises. And lastly, Nusindo's position as a dominant player with vast resources creates an uneven playing field for small private business and increase the risk of monopolies in national food distribution. All these factors combined can negatively affect village economies and regional development, ultimately weakening the spirit of community-based economic growth.
PT Rajawali Nusindo plays a strategic role in Indonesia's national distribution system, particularly in the sector of food, pharmaceuticals, and medical equipment. With an extensive distribution network and the support of modern infrastructure, the company contributes to maintaining the stability and affordability of essential foods, even in remote areas. Nusindo also supports various government programs, including those related to food and health security. However, Nusindo's presence and dominance have also raised concern, particularly regarding its impact on small local businesses.
Centralized structures and large distribution forces can make it difficult for local actors to participate in the supply chain, potentially hampering the strengthening of village economies. In addition, transparency and accountability remain important aspects that need to be maintained to prevent the risk of irregularities. Taking into account the strengths and challenges going forward, efforts are needed to ensure that Nusindo's role remains in line with the principles of fairness, openness, and empowerment of local communities in order to realize inclusive and sustainable economic development. Thank you.